Introducing StreamLIVE PRO, a standalone all-in-one AV mixer for live streaming and recording. Featuring 4 HDMI ports and 2 audio jacks for inputs from cameras, laptops, media players, and mics. StreamLIVE PRO works with commonly used infrastructure and can do everything in one compact box with the simplest setups and easiest operation. Just use an iPad as the control device, along with the free app to switch, preview, monitor, and edit in real time. StreamLIVE PRO can live stream to 2 platforms simultaneously without the need for a computer, or record directly onto an external hard drive for video on demand. StreamLIVE PRO is great for lectures, enterprise communication, and live event production. Say you're teaching in a lecture hall. StreamLIVE PRO connects to 2 cameras to give you multiple camera angles and a laptop to capture the slides and send the image to a projector. In this setup, there are 2 presets on each camera. We'll use the crop function to create a close-up without losing any image quality. These shots can be put into layouts and switched between like a 4-camera setup to make the presentation even more dynamic. To further polish the production, you can add any image and title overlay. Then save these custom layouts as scene presets and switch them with creative DVE transitions in real time. The setup is neat and clean and only requires StreamLIVE PRO and an iPad, so it won't take up too much space. Getting started is also fast and easy. In just a few minutes, you're ready to go live to your audience. It's perfect for school lectures and event live streaming.